welcome to another video. Okay, so I accidentally may have what's it called, forgot to unmute my mic during the whole video, and I may or may not be voiceovering right now while I'm testing the new editing software. Oh my gosh, and I may have just skipped a section of the video, but I don't think I did. So anyway, now opening up the bootcamp assistant. It feels so weird to be voicing over. So this process was supposed to go smoothly. I had to end up doing it twice because like the first time it worked fine, but it just ended up disappearing. So anyway, this is me doing it now. I'm selecting it. And I set the Windows to 100 gigabytes because that seemed like a very reasonable size for Windows. Okay. And also, why is my mouse just being so slow? I don't know. Okay, there we go. Now I'm clicking the install button. So now it just mounts it and downloads the drivers. This part didn't take too long, but yeah, actually it did take a long time because of my Wi-Fi. Normally it wouldn't take that long. When I get to the partitioning, that really takes long. Okay. It's doing some downloading now. I am in editing, so I might as well try to speed this up. Okay, now it's on the step where it's partitioning the disk. Okay, now here I just do a jump cut because it was taking too long. And there we go. Now it's almost on. Okay, Windows finally has enough drivers to display the screen. It is most of the bare minimum drivers, but it is at least displaying the screen now. We have to do the initial setup, but we haven't done the out-of-box experience yet, so there's will be some. Because for some reason, they don't give it enough drivers to do the HDMI during the initial setup part. Okay, I wonder why it's taking a while. We just have to wait for it to get ready. HDMI now, so you can see something. But yeah, the original setup part is the same as a normal Windows install, except you don't have to choose a partition. It does that automatically for you. macOS has been a little slow on here, so I want it to be faster, but judging by this, I think it might not be faster, but we'll see. If this is too slow, we might as well just put Linux on here, but I already have Linux on there, and it's a bit more complicated to put on a Mac than a Windows, so we'll see. Oh, next part of the process. It's rebooting now. It's probably going to launch us into the out-of-box experience now. Oh, there we go. Just wait for it to load. Okay, now we're in the out-of-box experience. And then we have to wait a moment. More than a moment. Yeah, I really don't know if it's going to be faster or not. Okay, finally the out-of-box experience loaded. Maybe it's full time. Yes. Yes. It. It's not our network. But we're just gonna pause this for now because, like, yeah, you don't need to see our network. Okay, we can enter the network now. So, like, the next part. And no Windows. You are not getting a Microsoft account yet. Maybe later. I'm not too sure personally. I don't know. We passed it. It's important to set up my computer. There's a picture that it's Windows. And the most exciting part is probably going to be the drivers. Because that's the standard Windows installation. No, we won't turn off the device. Thank you for letting us know Windows. Of course, there's still signing things up. With Windows, what do you expect from me? If we got through it, then why is it still having a loading circle? That does it. Okay, there we go. Okay, who's gonna use this PC? Just gonna pause this part. Okay, we got through with that part of setup. Okay, what's not now. Yeah, no, we don't need that right now. Okay, Microsoft, please no, we don't need this. I don't know why you're so insistent on getting us to need this, but we do not need this, Microsoft. Please stop. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm just skipping. No, we do not need Bulldog. Okay, finally, it's getting us into the desktop. Now, this part probably take a while, considering it's be this. Once it finishes, you're gonna open up Task Manager. Here it is. I know you can skip this part, but I don't really want to because, like, you might mess things up. I think it should be done soon, hopefully, maybe. Here we go. Okay, Edge, not right now, not later. Yeah, maybe later. Oh yeah, sure, we definitely, these are the drivers. But now we'll have better support. Of course, I accept the drivers. Their battery percentage. We went on 100. Okay, so maybe we'll have better battery. And then we just wait for this. Like, once the drivers work, even things like the volume buttons will work. This currently does not work yet. Probably gonna speed this part up too. Okay, we're like, oh good. But like, what do you mean Apple null drivers? Which means null. That means not found. So like that makes no sense. Okay, auto restart. Let's do that. Okay, I did manually, and it appears to be starting up again. Okay, now we're gonna run Task Manager and see how much we're going. But first, let's see if the volume buttons finally work now. Okay, yeah, as expected, they work. Yeah, let's check battery percentage. Oh, 100%. Well, let's unplug it and see how long it lasts. Like, maybe it'll last good. But before we do that, let's see. Okay, so you just can't really do that. Okay, let me just try unplugging the wire now. Okay, there, I got the wire unplugged. Now let's see your battery. Does it just go down instantly? No, I think everything's good. Good. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. Next time we're gonna try and putting 11 on this thing if it supports it. Okay, bye.